So cloud security. Now there's a lot of talk about cloud security, and this is another area where we are trying to come up with the most secure. My goal is to have the most secure cloud service possible that meets all types of compliancy. So whether I get a law firm or a CPA firm or a healthcare organization, I should be able to service them. So a couple of things that you have to do to make it to meet the compliance. So data encryption is extremely important. Encryption is basically technology. It's been around for a long time. You know, encrypts the data. So even if a hacker gets hold of that data, they need a key to decrypt that data. So it's extremely important. So I talked about at rest, data at rest. So when it sits on your servers, it should be encrypted. And if the data is moving from that server to your device, then it should be encrypted as well. So then it's extremely important. Email encryption is also very, very easy to set up these days. You don't need any appliances or anything. You just subscribe to it. Say, hey, you know, I have 10 users in my company, but 5 people are in a really accounting department. They all need email encryption. They want to ensure that the email only goes to the person that needs to read. So it's very easy to set that up. Two-factor authentication is a technology that's been around for a while. We all know about it, but we may not know the technical term. If you go to a bank's website, they want you to set up a second method, you know, and they send you a text message to your phone. That's two-factor. So you have a password that you know, and then you get a PIN that's instant. So that way we have that today. So, and the file integrity monitoring. Now this is something we are about to implement. This basically is auditing of files. So, for example, people ask us, okay, my data is there, but I really want to know who's accessing that data, at what times, what are they doing to that data, and we want to know that. And so with this new security that we'll be putting in, we'll be able to tell that. We'll be able to tell that precisely. So that's extremely powerful. And anybody who tells me cloud is not secure, you know, this is more than enough security that they're ever going to be able to purchase and implement on-premise. So, and then network analytics. That's another thing, like who is coming in, how much bandwidth they're using, you know, what applications they're consuming, things like that.